2 plus 3 equals 5. So 5 times 4 over 2. 5 times 4 gives us 20. And 20 over 2 equals 10. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here in the numerator, first we have to do this multiplication, not this addition. If you do this addition before this multiplication, it is wrong. Okay, so first we have to do 3 times 4, which equals 12. So we have 2 plus 12 over 2. Okay, and now 2 plus 12 gives us 14. So 14 over 2 is just 7. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 7.